Happy New Year, fam. This is Life with A4 again. So today I'm reviving a kinky coily wig that is completely matted and tangled. I'm going to show you how I transformed it into beautiful bouncy curls that looks fresh and new again by just using only 2 products. Let's get into it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness, I guess.
So this is what the wig looked like before. Very tangled, very dry, and the curls were basically non-existent. If you've ever owned a kinky coily wig or a curly wig, you already know what I'm talking about. They get very tangled very fast. So in this video, we are not going to be using any heat, any tools, no expensive product, just 2 simple basic products, okay? So I start by brushing the hair to detangle it. Make sure you get a good brush to brush it very well to avoid the hair from breaking. Now the first product we are going to be using is just water. H2O. Get a clean water in your spray bottle. So the first ingredient is water, okay? I have nothing in this bottle, just water. And then the second ingredient is this cream of Nature Argan oil curl defining cream. Yeah, you can call them products, but I call them ingredients. They make my hair cook really delicious and sweet. Begin by sectioning your hair into smaller sections, okay? I'm starting by working in small sections because this helps prevent breakage and make the process easier. After spraying my hair with the water, I finger detangle my hair. If you have a wide tooth comb, you can also use the wide tooth comb. And then I apply the products and gently detangle from ends to roots, from root to end, working my way up. You don't want to rush this part, okay? Patience is what brings the curls back. Most of you add conditioners to your water to spray the hair, but I don't advise that. Just find you a good curl cream and then use something like this cream of nature cream. Is very nice. I will leave the product in the description, so if you want to buy it, you can just look at the name and buy it. Now this is where the magic starts to happen. You can already see the curls forming again and the wig instantly looks more defined and hydrated. Get a detangling brush. This brush, I think I bought it from Shein or Amazon. It costs like just 3 to 5 euros. It's not expensive. Just get something like that and you are good to go. And remember, this is just 2 products, water and this cream of nature argan oil curl defining cream. It's a long name. I'll put it in the description anyways. One thing I love about this cream of nature cream is a little goes a long way. All you need to use is some generous amount of water and a tiny bit of the product, and then you are good to go. It's either you finger coil it or you use this detangling brush to curl it and you are good to go. See how the curls is popping. See how the hair is soft. See how the hair is looking so delicious. I'm going to go ahead and do the other part of the hair, the right side, and let's see how it goes. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, okay? I'll be right back with you guys. I don't want you guys to be bored whilst waiting for the second section to be done. So let's listen to some music, okay? I'll be right back.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness, I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. wish I knew.
Okay, this is the final look, and tell me this doesn't look like a completely different wig. The curls are soft, defined and bouncy, and the wig honestly looks so new again. So if you have a kinky coily wig or a curly wig that's tangled and looking tired, you don't need to throw it away, okay? Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye!